kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 2 of my video series on audio and video calling app using Firebase in Android Studio. Alright guys, so from now we will start the project, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I am going to create a new project, and we have to select the empty activity, and we name the project as video calling app tutorial. All right, and then we will click on finish. So now the project has been created, and now we can start working on our project, and I will be doing the project from scratch, and you can follow me, and if in any part of the video if you do not understand anything, then you can comment down below and I will try my best to answer you. So okay, so first of all we have to when we create a project or when we start creating a project, so first of all you have to the first step is you have to specify the permissions which your application is going to use. All right, so in our case we are going to use a couple of the of user permissions. So now the permission, first of all, here let me go to android manifest.xml, and in here we have to specify some user permissions. So first of all we have to use the internet permission, and then we need to use the access network state, and then we are going to use the access Wi-Fi state. I think we don't need the Wi-Fi state, and then we can use the manage external store. I think we should not be doing this manage external storage for now, but we have to do it uh, uh, later, because I am not going to use the images first of all. So after we complete all the basic coding, then at the last part of the video series I will be adding the pictures feature inside our application. Okay, so for now we are not using any storage uh, functionality in our app. So another thing which we can use is the modify audio settings, and then we also have to use the record audio and read our phone state. So we can also use read phone state. Okay, all right guys, so these are the permissions which our application is going to use. So after we are done, we have to add the dependency. So the second step in after you create a project is you have to add the dependencies or the libraries which you are going to use. So this is the way of adding the libraries. So first of all we have to add the the butter knife library, which is my most favorite library, and it uses the view binding feature, and it gives us very easy to code. So first of all here we have to write implementation, and in here we can say com dot check version, and we can use the butter knife and 10.2.1, and then we can say annotation processor, and then similarly we can use the com dot check version, butter knife, compiler 10.2.1. so this is the library which we are going to use in our project. Then we can use the firebase, but we will add it, we will use them later after we will connect it in our next part of the video series. So here we have to use the card view library, which because we are going to use the card view. So for this we can say android.cardView, and we can say card view 1.0.0, and yes, and then we are going to use the Google material design library. So it will be like implementation com.google.android.material, and we are going to use 1.4.0. so here now you have to click on sync now. So now these libraries will be added to the project. Okay guys, so another thing which I want to tell you is that the all the drawables which I am going to use, I will be uploading them on the Dropbox, and I will place the link in my video description of in all the parts, so you can easily go and download all the drawable for required for this application. Alright guys, so I think uh, it's enough for this part. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.